Our turnover has been slightly less at 1,156 crores during the quarter as compared to the previous quarter of the same time of 1,209 crores. Our operating profit is at about 88 crores as against 179.9 crores at the previous quarter at the same time. We have a loss of 52 crores, that is profit after tax, as against a profit after tax of 22.6 crores last year, same period. Our order book is also taken a little hit. We are now at 15,336 crores, excluding where we are the lowest on another 1,713 crores. The full year summary for the work in turnover stands approximately the same at 4,002 crores as against 4,144 crores last year. Operating profit is at 443 crores as against 543 crores the previous year. And we have a loss after tax at 222.2 crores as against the profit after tax of 71 crores. The group turnover is about 8,157 crores, which is an increase of 14%, and a group net loss of 522 crores. In the backdrop of the current situation in the country, where there is a slowdown, economic slowdown, as well as particularly affecting the infrastructure sector, where both a slowdown in decision-making due to a sort of paralysis or a delay in making all kinds of decisions due to the fear of courts, the fear of the Comptroller and Auditor General of India, etc. Bureaucratic decision-making has slowed down. Some of our major customers, the National Highway Authority of India as well as the National Hydropower Corporation, both do not have their chairmen. They're all acting chairmen in this for the past 2 years. So in short, the decision-making environment has caused a number of delays, particularly in delivering the claims. Most of our projects, there have been cost overruns which have been accepted by the clients, but the quantification is yet to be done, and these claims of almost 2,000 crores. These were about 700 crores 2 years ago, and they should have come down, but instead of that, they mounted up to 2,000 crores, and decision-making delays have not been able to convert these into realizations. On the other side, we also have a situation that because of this, we have had to borrow excessively, and this borrowing has hurt our bottom line because of the excess debt overhang as well as interest burden. The Environment Ministry's clearances all round on variety of infrastructure projects has delayed both coming on stream for new projects, as well as some of the old projects have been stalled in some places or the other due to want of some clearance or the other yet to come. And as a result, there has been a general slowdown in new jobs coming in. So in this context, we find that the flow of advances, flow of new jobs has also slowed down considerably. In this atmosphere, we were faced with a debt overhang. And as a result of which, HCC applied for a process of the corporate debt restructuring and has been admitted to that process, and the corporate debt restructuring is underway.